On my Tuesday AMC update, I said fairly confidently that we would end the week just under $40. Here's where I screwed up. Tony Denaro here. Thanks for tuning in. Well, we had a pretty good end of day run on AMC, coming back out of that dip that we had been in earlier in the morning, finishing the day at 34.41. And AMC followed the trend of the market recovering, like I mentioned yesterday, that if the market would just recover, we would probably go along with it. Everything in my portfolio was looking green today, and it was nice to see that while everybody else had a green day, Robinhood continued down the toilet. But I made one fatal flaw in my analysis on my Tuesday recap. Let's talk about that for 1 second. Rather than do some somewhat dubious technical analysis on the stock, which is always difficult in a short squeeze play with high volatility like AMC, I do look at the technical analysis, but I also look at other things like the options chains. And if you go back and look at my video on Tuesday, and then we look at the options chains today, here's where I screwed up. I did not think about all of you guys going in and buying a ton of new options between $35 and $40. When I looked at the options chain on Tuesday, really the open interest was high on the $40, but everything between $35 and $40 did not have anywhere near this amount of open interest. So in the past 2 to 3 days, we piled on another 15 to 20,000 additional new call options. And that created a very high incentive for the people that are selling these options and that have enough shares in their portfolio to control what happens with the price of the stock to short it down or sell it down and get it below $35 for the end of the day, so that the maximum amount of these call options would expire worthless and they just put that money in their pockets. So I encourage you guys not to be buying call options right now, because that's just throwing money out the window. Since I do feel this was some manipulation, I think that we have a pretty good chance, barring anything crazy in the world happening over the weekend, of seeing a pop on Monday. Stay tuned and let's see what happens. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to buy and hold that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.